So as far as transfer of energy is concerned in ecosystem, this transfer of energy takes place according to the second law of thermodynamics, which says that whenever the energy is transformed from one form to another form, then some amount of energy is going to get lost. So according to the second law of thermodynamics, the energy transfer in the ecosystem takes place. We can see exactly how this happens. So suppose this is you have a what is ecosystem, forest ecosystem, and energy is coming from the sun in the form of incoming solar radiation. So this energy will be fixed by the plant with the help of photosynthesis in the form of carbohydrates. So this energy coming from the sun will be fixed by the plant through the process called as photosynthesis in the form of carbohydrates. Then this some amount of these carbohydrates will be used by the plant themselves for their own respiration. So this energy, some amount of energy is going to get lost through the respiration. So but rest of the energy will be fixed in the form of carbohydrates in the body of the plants. So this biomass will be eaten by the herbivores. Herbivores. Then, so this energy will be transferred into the body of the herbivores. Then out of this energy, or you can say the biomass, because mass is equal to energy, that's why this mass, when it will be transferred into the in the body of herbivores, then some amount of this energy will be used by these herbivores for their respiration. So again this some amount of energy is going to get lost. Then rest of the energy will be fixed in the body of the herbivores, which will be eaten by the carnivores. So when this energy will be transferred to the body of carnivores, then some amount of energy will be used by these carnivores for their own respiration, and the rest of the energy will be fixed in their body. So again, when these herbivores, these carnivores also will actually release some amount of energy again back to the atmosphere, and when these carnivores will die, then their body will be decomposed by the bacteria or decomposers. Then in the process of decomposition also some amount of energy is going to get lost again. So at every transformation of energy from the plants to the herbivores, from the herbivores to the carnivores, some amount of energy is going to get lost. So that's why this energy conversion is not 100%. That is the reason why actually this uh, mm, uh, trophic level cannot go beyond the 3 or 4 trophic level, because at the bottom you have a more number of energy availability, and on the second trophic level you have a less amount of energy availability, and on the top you have even more less. So that's why this energy pyramid is conical in shape. So that's how the transfer of energy takes place